The Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Teeth Whitening Kit offers 44 strips, 22 treatments, for a noticeably whiter smile. These easy-to-use strips adhere securely to your teeth and remove tough stains, providing professional-level whitening results at home. Designed to be gentle on enamel, they deliver visibly whiter teeth in as little as 20 days, making it convenient for users aiming for a brighter, more confident smile. Lumineux Teeth Whitening Strips offer 21 peroxide-free treatments for a whiter smile without sensitivity. Formulated by dentists, these strips are gentle on enamel and certified non-toxic, making them ideal for those with sensitive teeth. Using natural ingredients, they safely brighten your teeth without compromising oral health. Perfect for achieving a radiant smile while maintaining comfort and care. The Whitebite Pro Professional Teeth Whitening Kit is designed for sensitive teeth and includes a 35% carbamide peroxide formula for effective whitening. With an LED light to accelerate results, this kit promises a brighter smile in just 7 days. The spearmint flavor adds a refreshing touch, while the included remineralization gel protects and strengthens enamel, reducing sensitivity for a comfortable and professional-grade whitening experience at home. The VieBeauti Teeth Whitening Pen Set includes 3 travel-friendly whitening pens, providing over 30 uses. This easy-to-use formula is designed for a painless whitening experience without sensitivity, making it ideal for those with sensitive teeth. With a refreshing mint flavor, it's convenient for on-the-go touch-ups, helping you achieve a radiant, beautiful white smile effortlessly. The Opalescence 35% Gel Syringes Teeth Whitening Refill Kit by Ultradent includes 2 packs, totaling 4 syringes. Made with carbamide peroxide, it delivers professional-grade whitening results, ideal for touch-ups or maintenance of a bright smile. Its mint flavor adds a refreshing touch, and the convenient syringe format ensures easy application.